Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to reply to specific messages on WeChat, which is super useful if you're in a busy chat and want to make sure your response is clear. First, open the WeChat app and go to the chat where you want to reply. Find the message you want to respond to. Press and hold that message for a second or two. A small menu will pop up with several options. Tap Reply from the menu. Once you tap Reply, the message will appear above the text box so everyone knows which message you're responding to. Type your response in the text box just like normal and hit Send. Your reply will now show up with a small preview of the original message above it, so it's clear which message you're answering. This works in both group chats and one-on-one conversations, and it's great for keeping discussions organized, especially when multiple people are chatting at once. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more WeChat tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.